legend, this ancient and rare scroll was used by Mesopotamian royalty to contact the dead.
Really? How'd you get it?
High bidder on eBay. Now, to whom will we be placing a call today?
We won't be placing a call to anybody. Don't be so nosy.
Fine. Use me for my expertise of the dark arts and then toss me away on the side of the road like a flattened armadillo on a lone Texas highway. Buzzards circling high above, longing for the...
Merton, it's my grandmother.
Aw, sweet, sweet Nana Baxter. Shall we begin? Now just think of the person you want to contact and your message will be sent. Mechlen Sirius Aglando.
Merton!
Sorry, the channel should be open now.
Is that it? I mean, how do we know if the message got through?
It's not a fax machine. There's not going to be a confirmation page.
Oh. Well, I don't know. I just thought there'd be, you know, like a bolt of lightning or something.
Bolt of lightning? You're so precious. I love newbies. Message received! Wait! Don't leave me! Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
So, what can I get you to eat?
Brains.
Oh, we don't serve brains. Just chicken.
That's okay. I'll just have yours.
You know, ever since Lori and I broke up, I've been having real trouble concentrating. All I do is think about her. And the harder I try not to, the more I do it. I guess it's just one of those catch-52s. To make this shot, Lori and I are getting back together somehow. Okay, 2 out of 3 here. Come on. Okay, 3 out of 5.
Whoa. Hold up, buddy. Stay warm now. Just promise me you'll only buy solids, no liquids. For giving me a license inspection, thanks, but I think I'll just move along now.
Keep your change. I'm gonna eat your brain.
Eat my brain? Wait a minute. The clammy hands? The decomposing flesh? The pestilential stench? You're a zombie!
No, I'm not. Okay, maybe a little.
Guys! Undead brain eater in the park! And the cockroach came out of his... Scary!
Okay, once again, only this time use verbs.
Coffee, hot! Tasty. Is that a mocha blend? Because it... Never mind, I was just attacked by a reanimated walker of the night.
A sleepwalker? Wait, you didn't wake him, did you? No, I heard that could be dangerous.
No, Tommy, I'm talking about a zombie. And there he is!
Wow, a zombie! Well, let's go do whatever did you do to zombies.
No, we can't.
What? Why not?
Hi, babe! Happy anniversary!
Kind of my ex-boyfriend? Is it really you, Rob?
In the flesh. Most of it, anyway. What's the matter? Aren't you happy to see me?
Happy's not quite the word that comes to mind.
Excuse me. Glad to see you're reunited and it feels so good, but let's just remember that Romeo here just tried to use my head as a bite-sized candy.
Rob!
He's overreacting, baby. I was just kidding around. I'm a prankster, you know that. Here, pull my finger. Go ahead, give it a tug. I won't bite. Great twist on the old joke, huh?
Rob, how is this possible? I mean, I was at your funeral.
Oh, yeah? Good show. How was the turnout?
It was nice, Rob. Everybody came.
A lot of girls?
Yes, Rob. There were a lot of girls there.
How about Marcy Lerner?
Marcy Lerner?
Yeah.
Marcy Lerner?
No.
I knew it! Something was going on between you two. Oh!
Lori, wait! I'm sorry. She didn't mean anything to me. I've changed, Lori. I'll never see her again. I love you.
Excuse me. I mean, interrupt here. But this guy's a zombie. I mean, shouldn't we destroy him or something?
Oh, check out this guy. I'm a destroyer. I destroy people. Take a hike, would you, Chachi? I'm talking to my girlfriend over here.
Rob, I'm not your girlfriend. And besides, he has a point. I mean, no offense, but aren't you supposed to be decomposing or something?
I know. And I'll go. I was just hoping that we could spend a little time together. Clear the air.
Might I suggest something with a nice, fresh pine scent?
Come on. What do you say, Lolo? Just one more night.
My fault? How is it my fault?
You raised the dead.
Well, yes, there's that. But she lied. If Lori contacted Nana Baxter instead of Rob, we could have led a kindly but undead octogenarian back to her grave and been home before Conan.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? It was private. I didn't want to have to explain about Rob. Our anniversary was coming up, and I was feeling really guilty.
About what?
A year ago, we had a big fight, and I told him I never wanted to see him again.
Why should that make you feel guilty?
Because I never saw him again. He had a motorcycle accident that night. He tried to jump the gorge.
The gorge? Nobody's tried to jump the gorge since that nut job crashed his motorcycle into... Never mind.
Look, I know he was a lousy boyfriend. Always lying and cheating and borrowing money. But he just had this way about him.
Well, on the bright side, I figured out where the spell went awry. We'll return him to the Earth's cold embrace tonight.
Not tonight. We have plans.
You are not seeing him tonight.
Oh, really?
Tommy and I do not approve of this young man. We don't want you associating with anyone who considers my head a nice, tasty treat.
Look, you know what? I already have parents, and they're lucky if I listen to them, so,
At least make him wear protection. The mask. There. A state-of-the-art titanium-reinforced face mask from the people who brought us to the club. The finest cannibal protection money can buy. See? Whoa! Oh, hey, okay. Hey, I think I'll lock it now.
Listen, are you sure you don't want us to stick around?
yeah, I'm positive.
Come on, guy. Can't you take a hint already? Obviously, she only likes you as a friend.
Was I talking to you, Hannibal?
Ooh.
That's-
Somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Ha 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 ha. Laugh it up, dirtbag. You got 3 hours. After that, you're worm food.
Oh, tough guy.
Thanks, Tommy.
Thanks for caring, Scooter. But Lolo's in good hands now. Drive safe. Now, Lori, about the mask. Now, I saw you pickpocket the key off that nervous pony-haired guy.
You saw that, huh?
Lori, hate put me in this mask. Love's gonna bust me out.
Okay. 7 out of 13.
You know, if you tuck in your elbow like so, give kind of a... Oh.
That is it! Lori is not staying out with this guy any longer. Time has got to be up.
They still have another hour and 57 minutes. Relax. His flesh-hungry chompers are locked behind an indestructible mask. She's safe as long as I have this key. Which I don't have.
Did you just eat a rat?
It's not something I'm proud of.
Here.
Lori, relationships are a give and take. We both have our flaws. I'm dead and you're judgmental.
Look, Rob, I hate to say it, but you can't stay here. We have to destroy you.
I know. But what would you say to giving me just one more day? One more day and we can go ride the llamas at the safari park just like we used to.
We never did that. Did you go with Marcy?
Was you kidding? Gotcha! Huh?
All right, Rob. One more day. Why am I such a sucker for you?
Good luck, I guess.
I had to find Rob and Lori fast, so I tracked his zombie scent. But that got me queasy, so I switched to tracking Lori.
So this is home.
Well, here we are. It's not the Ritz, but it'll do. I'm sorry, I didn't have enough time to tidy up.
Rob, whose purse is that?
I think the groundskeeper uses this place as a lost and found.
Robert! Are you in there?
Oh dear, here comes trouble.
Robert, I think I left my purse here after we came from the safari park.
Marcy Lerner?
Lori Baxter?
Wow, here we all are. What to do?
I don't believe this.
But baby, she didn't mean anything to me. I'll never see her again.
Which one of us are you talking to?
That depends. Who's buying it?
You were scamming extra days off me so you could hang out with girls like this? This is so you of you.
Oh, Lori, you know how it is. I only want Marcy. Her mind, her soft, gooey, scrum-delicious mind.
Run, get out of here.
I know. I screwed up. I'm sorry. It won't ever happen again. I love you. Come on, let's kiss and make up. No? Wow. If we're no longer in a relationship, you might as well be dinner.
I don't think so, deadhead.
Oh, look, everybody, it's the friend.
Lori, you okay?
Yeah.
Hit it, Merton.
Okay, if I'm right, it should be as simple as... Dorum kalab be dorum malach. Are you experiencing discomfort of any kind? Never mind. Dorum Chalab made Dorum Malak. Dorum Chalab made Dorum Malak.
This talking's making me hungry. I could go for some brains.
Man, what's wrong? I thought you said you had it.
Gee, Tommy, my Aramaic's a little rusty. How's yours?
Come on in, guys. The party's just getting started.
Let go!
Let go, boys. Hey, Freddy.
So, you're a ravenous horde of flesh-eating zombies. What's that like?
Vern, it's not working!
What should we do now?
Well, if George Romero's seminal zombie classic, The Night of the Living Dead, is any indication, we might want to prepare for a gruesome death.
Not today. Grab this. Vern, grab the door! Now, follow me!
I don't know why it's not working. I'm sure I've got the right spell. Let me try it one more time with feeling. Dorum Kalab Be Dorum Malak.
Stop reading that spell! Oh, that broke easy.
Okay, Merton, Tommy and I will take care of the zombies, and you figure out how that spell works.
What? You're not gonna leave me here?
What, do you want to go fight zombies?
I'm sure there's a pronunciation key on this thing. So we'll see.
Let's go! Let's get it on, boys! Follow me! Come on!
What do you say, Lolo? You and me and a pile of brains makes three?
I don't think so, Rob.
Hey, my head's on backward.
Backwards.
Hey, I still got a cute butt.
Of course, that's it. The spell is in ancient Aramaic, which, unlike English, is read from right to left. Backwards. Oh, Mr. Zombies. Kayla Marad Yabalak Marad. Caleb Marad Yabalak Marad.
I can't hear you. Come on, Lori. We can still work it out. I wasn't gonna eat you. Honest. I can change, Lori. I love you. It'll never happen again.
I know it won't, Rob.
Kayla Marad Yabalak Marad.
So, Lolo, any other freaky ex-boyfriends we need to worry about?
None other than you, wolf boy. Mwah. Mwah. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Defeating Rob and the zombies was good because we all learned something. In Merton's case, he learned that it's one thing to collect stuff, but another to mess with forces he didn't understand.
Goth eBay update. bidding begins on a spell that'll give me super speed? Need it!
And Lori learned that it was okay to let go of the past. And as for me, well, let's just say I was learning to move on. Okay, if I make this shot, Lori and I are definitely getting back together someday. Okay, 173 out of 355. Easy. Of course, I still had another 172 to go, but you gotta start somewhere.